Well, hello there. My name is Sometimes Heather and I make things. It's been a long time again, I'm sorry YouTube's new algorithm threw me off my game. But not to worry, I know what I'm doing now. So, once upon a time we got freezing temperatures and my head got cold. I wanted a red hat, so let's make that together. I have leftover acrylic yarn. I will work this thing with 2 strands to make my hat thicker. I have a 4mm hook from Järbo. I totally love this tool. To start, I will chain 4 and join to work in the round. If you prefer a magic loop, use that, it will give the finished item a more polished look. Into the ring, double crochet 10 times. That's 10 stitches in total and our first round done. Secure into the first stitch and chain 3. This will count as the first stitch of the second round. Double crochet twice into each stitch, and once the round is full, secure to the first double with a slip stitch. If you slip stitch around the double and not into it, you will get a gap. I did that and it doesn't look very nice. For round 3, chain 3 again. Into the next stitch, double crochet twice, and into the next one, double crochet once. Continue like this through the round and close with a slip stitch. Fitting a hat is always an adventure. I usually go by rule of thumb, but for today I dug up a formula. Circumference of your head divided by pi will tell you the diameter of the starting circle. When you're working with non-elastic materials, this works perfect. With crochet though, we will have to take negative ease into consideration to avoid making a hat for 2. My crochet brain says that if one round is about 1 centimeter high, reducing 2 centimeters from the diameter should work okay. This would bring us to 16 centimeters instead of 18, so we will have to add a bit more. Chain 3 to start round 4. Double crochet into the next stitch, and then double crochet twice into the next one. Double crochet once into the 2 following stitches, and then double crochet twice into the next one. Continue like this through the round. For round 5, chain 3 to start, double crochet once into the first 2 stitches, and then double crochet twice into the next one. Continue to double crochet once into the 3 following stitches, and then double crochet twice into the next one. Close with a slip stitch again. My starting circle reached the target diameter at this point. The next step is to simply double crochet into each stitch until the hat is long enough to cover your ears. Don't forget to try it on after a couple of rounds to make certain it fits well. You will start to see the shape change from a circle to a bucket pretty soon. I find this somehow really rewarding. As the hat is as long as you'd like, you can cast off and weave in ends. I will add a border to make this a touch prettier. I thought about a simple picot edge, but it wasn't really my style. So instead, I will skip a stitch and double crochet 5 times into the next one. Skip 1 again and single crochet into the next one. Skip a stitch and double crochet 5 times into the next one, skip 1 again and single crochet into the next. Continue like this through the round and you are rewarded with a shell edge. Cast off and weave in ends. This sort of a hat is quick and easy to make. All crocheters had a multitude of these back in the 90s. This one should keep my head a bit warmer through the last month of winter chill. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Next week, I thought we might alter a dress. Thank you so much for watching and see you all later. Stay safe.